Hey Lucas, I just got a box in. It's the Galaxy S21 Ultra. It just came in.
Cool!
Hey, welcome to the show today. This is so exciting. We just got the Galaxy S21 Ultra.
Let's do a slow unboxing.
Yes, let's do a slow unboxing. What I did is I did make a cut on the box, but I did not take anything out. I did order this phone online and I got the $250, they kind of give you $250 credit. So it's actually coming with an Active 2 watch also.
Cool, I should order a watch.
Yes, so all right, let's take a look at this.
Slow unboxing though, this is very fragile.
All right, let's take it out of the box here. This looks like a camouflage netting, something that you would see maybe in the military. So
cool.
He's gonna have fun with this part. I think this is probably his favorite part here.
Cool.
What is this? This is a smart tag, and check out our channel because we're gonna be doing a review on this smart tag. But this is pretty cool because I can put that on Lucas to figure out where he is going. I can even put it on a cat or the dog, so or even keep it on my keys in case. So that hooks up to GPS. So let's take a look here. The Samsung, what they did is they had a promotion that if you were to send in your old phone, you could get some credit. So, ooh, what is this right here? This is the Active 2 watch. You can see that right there.
Oh, here's a big phone.
So let's.
Heavy.
Are you gonna play with this with your Star Wars figures?
Maybe.
Maybe. All right. Let's see here. This is the. Here is the S21 Ultra. Look at that. Look at that. I'm so excited. We're going to be doing all kinds of reviews on this.
Tricks and tips.
Tricks and tips. Cut there. Are you guys ready? Let's take the box out. I got the S21 Ultra.
It has a cover.
And there it is. No, that's not it.
This is it.
I'm going to tip it.
Ooh.
This is so cool. Look at that.
You have to take off this.
Yeah, I'll take off all the plastic later on. Look at that. Check out all the cameras on this thing. Take a look at there, kitty. All right, let's see what else came in the box. We have a little box right here. Let's see what's in there.
A charger.
Yeah, it looks like a charging cable. So it came with a quick reference guide and terms and conditions. All right, hey, stay tuned to the show because we're going to be doing all kinds of cool tips
and tricks. And if you want to see those shows, if you want to see more of our shows, click up there.
Yeah, click right there. Hit subscribe. Do the subscribe. Or is it down here? It might be up there or it might be down there.
Hit subscribe, then you can watch our other videos.
Yeah, we got a lot of other videos on.
And you can watch the tricks and you can watch the other shows on this.
We got a lot of cool phone cases for this. A lot of cool things that are coming up. You gotta stay tuned. All right. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today, and we'll talk to you later. Adios.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.